Abductor pollicis longus is one of the deep extensor muscles of the forearm. It arises from the posterior surface of proximal half of ulna, radius, and interosseous membrane and attaches to the base of first metacarpal. Abductor pollicis longus is innervated by posterior interosseous nerve, a continuation of deep branch of radial nerve. It abducts and extends thumb at carpometacarpal joint. Extensor pollicis longus is an elongated muscle that arises from the posterior surface of middle third of ulna and interosseous membrane. Its distal attachment is on the dorsal surface of base of distal phalanx of thumb. Extensor pollicis longus is innervated by posterior interosseous nerve, a continuation of deep branch of radial nerve. Its action includes extension of distal phalanx of thumb at interphalangeal joint. Acting with extensor pollicis brevis and abductor pollicis longus, it extends the proximal phalanx of thumb at metacarpophalangeal joint and wrist at carpometacarpal joint. Extensor pollicis brevis arises from the posterior surface of distal third of radius and interosseous membrane and attaches to the dorsal surface of base of proximal phalanx of thumb. Extensor pollicis brevis is innervated by posterior interosseous nerve, a continuation of deep branch of radial nerve. It extends proximal phalanx of thumb at metacarpophalangeal joint. It also extends wrist at carpometacarpal joint in conjunction with extensor pollicis longus and abductor pollicis longus. If this video is helpful, consider subscribing to this channel.